our third video for this, and this is Shane versus nature.
Shane versus nature.
Okay, we gotta be very careful. This is about 100 feet off the ground. All right.
It's about 100 inches from the ground.
Shane, I don't think this is good.
Hey, Bob, look at this. See those green moss-looking rocks?
Yes.
Those are all sea spiders.
Creepy.
All right, let's go.
You move. I cannot come.
I gotta keep up with Shane.
Shane, get up, man. We can't get up close, man.
Bob, one of the most dangerous animals. Bob, it's a dangerous animal. It's a mossy, overgrown snake.
Hold on a second, Shane. Hold on a second, biologist Dr. Shane.
I'm not a biologist. Check this out. I'm gonna kill it.
Oh, dangerous.
Okay, it's just a snake. It's just a snake. Never mind. Alright, this is my...
There's Jenny.
My candy. Are you sad?
Let's get on with the video.
Alright.
No way.
Hands are dirty.
Yes, sir.
We have to be very careful crossing this. Stop for just 1 second. Put your hand over the camera.
Kyla really wants to go.
Cameraman down. Cameraman down.
Who cares about you, Bob?
What?
Are you okay? Are you okay? Yeah. Okay. Looking for something.
She's hunting for fish.
Yes, I want to catch a fish with my hand. This thing's probably infested with bugs. We have to go this way. Okay, we have to be very careful. They're 2 inches away. That's a really big jump. Whoa.